What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Men in Glow Flooring. I am Josh Gerard, and we're back. Today, we're actually going to be doing something a little fun. My friends Jay and Mary saw this sample board that I made a couple weeks back, and it's an ocean marble metallic. I use Leggari products. I'm actually going to do it again. They want me to take this cedar wood little nightstand or like end table from their porch, and I'm going to bond on the top, seal it off, use some water-based primer, and I'm going to do another dirty pour with this ocean metallic look using Leggari products, metallic epoxy. And I love this stuff. This stuff has actually proven itself time over again. I love working with it. It's easy to work with. Got a good working window, so you have plenty of time to allow your design to take shape. So I'm very happy with the product. Please like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment because they definitely help me make better content for this channel. I appreciate your support and thank you so much for watching. Let's check out this installation. Here we go. What?